Craving that grilled BBQ flavor but staying in tonight? This recipe's perfect for you. Start with half of a pound or about 250 grams of chicken breast. Chop it into cubes about 2 inches or 5 centimeters each. Not too small, we want them just juicy, not dried out. And add them to the mixing bowl. Next, mushrooms. Take 3 medium white ones and slice them in half right down the middle. Next up, zucchini. Go for the green one. Chop it into cubes roughly the same size as the chicken. And finally, grab 1 red bell pepper. Slice around the core, then cut those pieces in half so they're skewer ready and don't go sliding off mid-cook. Toss all the veggies into the bowl with the chicken. They're about to soak up some serious flavor together. Time for marinade. Add about 1/3 cup or 100 grams of honey garlic sauce. Start with a light sprinkle of salt, then give everything a good toss. Once it's mixed, add a little more to balance it out evenly. Now for the herby kick, add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. It's rustic, fragrant, and ties everything together. Mix everything until the veggies and chicken are nicely coated and gleaming. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Grab your sticks and here's how we layer it up. Start with a mushroom, soft, earthy, and the perfect base. Then a chunk of chicken. Next, a cube of zucchini. Let's add another piece of chicken, because one is never enough. Slide on a slice of bell pepper, and top it off with another mushroom, and for that symmetry and grill-like depth. Finish with a final piece of bell pepper, bright red and photogenic like the cherry on top. Repeat the process with the rest. The total number of skewers depends on the size of your air fryer basket and how generous you are with the stacking. Place the skewers gently into the air fryer basket. Don't forget to give them room to breathe. Crowded skewers equals soggy dinner. Set your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 17 minutes. At the 8-minute mark, open the basket, brush the tops with the leftover marinade for a glossy finish. Then flip them over and brush with marinade as well. And be careful here, the basket's hot, so flip them gently. No burned fingers today. Pop them back in for the final 8 to 9 minutes. Your kitchen should be smelling like a backyard grill party, except the smoke and effort. Pull them out and take a look. Caramelized sauce with the tender chicken and grilled veggies looks and smells amazing. These skewers are fresh, fast, and totally customizable. What would you add to your skewers? Pineapple for a sweet twist? Or red onion for that little zing? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to borrow your ideas. And hey, if you fell in love with this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe for more air fryer meals, and we'll see you in the next one.